So welcome back, guys. You can see that we finally we are able to take a trade on Boom 1000. And if you remember, just yesterday we did an analysis and I told you guys um that we are going to be taking an entry. And as you can see that I already made an entry somewhere around here. Okay, so if you've not watched that previous analysis video, I'm going to leave a link in the comment description, or if you want, you can check the most recent video, the last video I did before this one. You will get the analysis of Boom 1000 index. Remember, this is Boom 1000 index, and so you can get that analysis there. So we actually started this account from a $3, okay, and now we are currently at $27, okay. So the goal is to grow this account, small account, to over $100, and so far so good. We'll be making progress using just the four factor of confluence. Remember, there are four factors of confluence we look at for. The first is the trend. You want to take note of the trend, okay. So for those of you that have a small account, this is what you want to be doing whenever you open your chart, okay. Make sure you don't trade under pressure, okay. Now I can afford to lose this account because I am not trading under pressure. So the goal is just to grow this account using this strategy, okay. And the second factor of confluence is you can make use of your order block, or if you want, you can make use of support and resistance, okay. Then the third factor of confluence is your moving average, and then the fourth factor of confluence would be your candlestick pattern, okay, your candlestick pattern. So if you follow these four principles, believe me, you don't need to pay for any course, you don't need to join any program, you don't need to pay anyone to teach you how to trade. This is the whole secret you need in trading, okay. You'll be able to identify the trend, you're able to identify key levels like order block, support and resistance, or supply and demand zone, then making use of moving average as an extra confirmation, and then your candlestick pattern. If you can follow these four things, believe me, you have stepped up in your trading game, okay. So these are the things you want to be looking out for in the market, and these are the things I was able to look out for in the market to take this trade, okay. So from a $3 account, now we are almost approaching $27, and definitely we are growing this account to over $100, and then we can scale up to $1,000. So I'm just going to show you the entry point I took for Boom 1000, because I already did a video, an analysis video on Boom 1000. So you can check the comment description, I'm going to leave a link there, or you can just check the last recent video on my YouTube channel, and then you will get access to the Boom 1000 analysis. So I'm just going to show you the entry point for Boom 1000, and then maybe I can tell you where you can take an entry now, okay. So where you'll be able to take an entry on Boom 1000, then maybe tomorrow or some other time I will do an analysis on Boom 500, okay, and then show you how you can take an entry now. Because if you look at the Boom 1000 index here, you will notice that based on the analysis I did, you can see that this is the daily time frame, and we still have a long way to sell. Okay, we still have a long way to sell. So it is good you take note of this analysis and go to your chart and enter and make massive profits for yourself. Okay, so you can see that if you go to the weekly time frame, my target is that price is still going to come down. Okay, but because we don't want to be greedy and because we just want to trade and take some profit, because we are trying to grow this account, we'll just be taking our profit somewhere around here. Okay, and then subsequently we can be adding more positions as we take our profits downwards. Okay, so I will just show you how I took this trade now. So the first thing I did in that previous video, I was able to locate the key zone here. So you can see that price has gotten to this level, and from that level price tanked down. So now price has gotten back to that same level. Okay, so but the fact that price got there does not mean that price is going to sell all the way down. Okay, doesn't mean that price will sell the way down. Price might just come down and then start going up. But there are other analysis I did in that previous video, so please try and get that video so that you can see the analysis for yourself. So let me just show you the entry point I took on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that our trend line has been broken here. Okay, so our trend line, so this was what I was waiting for, remember, yesterday. And then I was waiting for like a retracement. So after the break of trend line and then a retracement. Okay, so and that was what happened exactly. So on the daily time frame, you can see that when market opened today at around 1 a.m., there was a lot of spike upward. That was the retracement, and then I knew that okay, market has retraced, and then I took a sell. Okay, so you can see that market came back to this level here, somewhere around here. Okay, and I took a sell. So if you go to the 1 hour, you will notice that, remember, I've taught you guys about market structure before. So let me just quickly place this market structure here. You notice the first leg move down, the retracement leg. Okay, then the next leg down that broke the trend line. Okay, and then this was the retracement leg. Okay, so this was the move down. So this is already telling us that market is going down, and then we had this retracement. Okay, now market did not completely break out of this impulsive move here. So here was like an inducement here. Okay, so here was like an inducement. In other words, buyers were induced, or rather sellers were induced to sell, but later market came out and took them out. So at that point we saw that market started selling. So I knew definitely that this was going to be a good time to sell. Okay, and so we are already in the sell now. Another opportunity to have entered this market would have been here, because there's an order block here. Can you see this order block here? That is this candlestick here is the order block here. So it would have been a good time to sell. Okay, and you can see that market is already selling, and the market wants to come and break this structure down here, guys. So this is how you want to be analyzing the market. So if you are having challenges analyzing the market like this, you can send me a DM, you can leave a message in the comment description, or you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp DM, so that you can get to learn the market for yourself. Okay, so these things are simple, they are not difficult, and the most important thing is for you to manage your risk and manage your reward. Okay, so you can see that market is selling hard now. Okay, and then we want to so what you can do for boom 1000 now is for you to wait, because market will and must always retrace. Okay, market must retrace, so just wait for the next retracement level, and then when market retrace you want to sell, because we still have a long way to sell. Look at, guys, we still have a long way to sell. Okay, so just wait for markets to retrace, don't be in a rush, don't be in a hurry, and then definitely the market will retrace, and then you can take a sell. Okay, so that's for boom 1000. So let me just talk about them boom 500. Maybe after this video I will do an analysis on boom 500, on why I think boom 500 is going to sell. But for now, let me just show you the entry I took, how I took that entry on boom 500. Okay, so you can see that we are already in a sell here on boom 500. Okay, we're already in a sell here, and if price should get to my take profit, you can see that I'll be making $17 from this trade. Okay, so it's just with 0.1 lot size. Okay, so it's still the same 4-factor of confluence that I used to enter this trade. So you can see on the 4-hour time frame that we are already in a downtrend. So you want to be selling in this kind of a downtrend. Okay, you want to be selling in this kind of a downtrend. So you can see that already market have showed us its initial direction. So this is where we want price to get to. Now market still has room for selling downwards. Okay, so if you go to the weekly time frame, you still see that there's still room for the market to sell downwards. So there's still room for the market to sell downwards and take this low. So I'm going to do an analysis on boom 500 later, so that you can position yourself for the massive sell that is coming. Okay, so but you can see that first of all, you will notice that there was an inducement here again. Okay, so that inducement was a sell that took the sellers unaware. So but that inducement level has been taken out already. So if you were selling here before, definitely it would have been good for you to have taken your profit somewhere around here. But you can see that now we have been the level has been taken out, so the sellers now are in control. Okay, and then remember, this is an important key level in the market here, and that was why price came back to this same level. Okay, so this is like a hot selling point in the market. So you want to position yourself and take a sell now. So it will not be bad if you take a sell now for boom 500 on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, or if you want, you can wait for extra confirmation, or you can wait for a retracement. But I believe that boom 500 is about to go for a massive sell. Okay, so this is how you want to be taking your trade, guys. So I believe you've been able to learn something from today's analysis and entry. So I'll be making more videos on different market types, so you can leave a comment in the comment description of this video telling me where you are watching from, and also the video you also want me to do for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video, share this video, and kindly turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop useful video like this. Okay, so see you guys. I'll be updating you about the progress of this account. Okay, so cheers guys, and please don't forget, do not risk more than you can afford to lose in the markets, because trading is a very risky venture, but it also has a lot of potential. So see you guys and cheers.